Guys, I'm born. Just look at. In fact, let me just wrap this. Let me wrap this. Look at. I can't carry it on. Look how full I am. Look at. Oh my God, these are gifts from content creators. Help me thank them, guys, from content creators. Guys, dive into the video and know who sent me these beauties that I'm holding. These beauties that I'm holding. Don't you want to know? I guess you want to know. You want to know who sent them to me. Dive into the video. Let's watch and thank those people. Hello, my beautiful people. You're welcome again to Episode Tips channel. Today is a great day. Today is a wonderful day. You can see how I'm looking all beautiful, guys. Today, you already know from the title of the video, I'm here to celebrate with you. I'm here to ask you to join me to give thanks to these wonderful people. You know, in this life, you don't know where your help will come from. You don't know who will visit you. You don't know who will help you in times of need. So when you're walking on the street, be it the street of YT, your social life, your working life, whichever part of your life, you just have to try to be genuine. You just have to try to be real. Guys, let me tell you, this issue is something that has touched me. Yes, because all what I did it out of my own reasons. Like, these people are with me. They have been suffering with me. And I know how it is to suffer. I know how it is to be on the street. I know how it is to not have a hand to help you. I can't, in fact, I'm short of words. But I just want to ask you all to join me to say thank you to these beautiful ladies. I thank you guys so much. Yes, beautiful mothers. You see, these women, they have hearts of mothers. I just want to tell you thank you. I want to tell you thank you for everything. And that I appreciate. Guys, before I go out to disclose my gifts or disclose the things I have to tell you today, I want to tell you that in the street of YT, I know majority of the people going to watch this video are content creators. But even if you're not a content creator, this advice goes to you as well. If you are here watching this particular video and you're doing good and you believe that some people are not recognizing what you're doing, I just want to tell you that they are recognizing it. Even if they don't speak out, even if they don't tell you that, CEO, you're doing something great for me. CEO, I had this because of you or because of your one or two advices you gave me. They are recognizing it. And don't relent. Don't stop in your good attitude. Don't stop in doing good. Don't stop in doing what you love most, or don't stop in being yourself because one person or two persons did something to you. If actually while growing, no one helps you to reach at the top, and when you're at the top, you see people coming down, just help them. I'm not saying I'm at the top, right? Because we are all small YouTubers growing. I'm not saying I'm at the top, but I'm simply putting the facts of life right now, that if you're actually in a higher position or there is not something you know that you need to share with others and they come for you to seek for one or two advices, even if nobody helped you, help these people. Even if one person through that path, you felt bad, you felt like everything is wrong, like people are letting you down, you don't know who to rush to, the strength that has to pull you through is that you are going to help the younger ones. You're going to help those who are not yet at your level. And in this life, nobody is small. We are all great because I have my own aspect that I'm good at. You have your aspect you are good at. I'm sure if you come to me today, I will come to you tomorrow. So if someone comes to seek for your help, seek for your advice, be humble enough to tell the person. Like I said in some videos some time ago, I said YouTube has taught me to be patient. Yes, I am very tolerant right now. And it's just one key it has added to my life that has made me, I am so happy. Yes, I am so happy. I'm so proud of myself in the terms of patience somehow. tolerance. I tolerate certain things. Normally, before entering the street of YT, I wasn't tolerating them. I'm calm somehow to listen. I am brought to listen to one or two persons, and that is one thing I'm grateful to everybody that I've encountered on YouTube, be it the ones that have influenced me negatively or positively. You have done something for me. So I use this opportunity to thank everybody. I don't want to do shout outs because you guys are so many. Yes, but I just want to tell you thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting me. And thank you to these beautiful ladies that I'm going to disclose their names very soon on showing their gifts they actually gave me. Can you imagine a YouTuber giving me a gift because of what? My little help I rendered. It's so amazing, guys. I'm so grateful. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to dive into the disclosing of my gifts. Guys, see, before I say anything, are you see? You can see the hair now. You can see the hair for yourself. This is 100% human hair. See how my hand is going through. Yes, guys, this wonderful hair, actually it came as an extension, and I had to do this wig myself for this video. Like, let me do this wig and let the lady see how I am actually flawless in her gift. See, guys, this wonderful gift is coming from no other person but Mama What's Up channel. Mama What's Up channel, I am grateful. Let's see how beautiful I look now. A homie episode tips. I beg you, look at me. It's not easy. Look at me. See, when I bought this extension with your parcel you sent to me, I said actually I have to make a wig, you know, to actually show it out. That see, I don't want to waste your money, but let me do this so I will always remember you. Yes, and apart from that, guys, wait, I have packages. Mama What's Up did not only stop there, but she went an extra mile again, and I'm going to disclose her second gift to you. Ta-da! Yes, guys, here is a second gift. So you're going to help me unbox this second gift. So let's push our camera a little bit behind. Oh God, sorry for that. So actually, this is the second gift. So we're going to open a beautiful shoe. I can't wait, guys. Like, I can't wait to actually disclose just one pair of this shoe to you, so you should see. Can you see these, guys? Like, are we there together? Are we there together? Are we there together? Guys, look at this. See, it's so beautiful. Like, can you see this? Soft, supple, like, look at, you can see the softness from inside. I'm so happy, Mama What's Up channel. I thank you, guys. So if you've not subscribed to her, please do want to go to her house. She has amazing content, and I want to tell you congratulations again on your monetization. You deserve it, and that I'm very grateful for your beautiful gift. That is the wig I'm actually putting on right now, and my beautiful shoe. So I'm very grateful for everything, Mama What's Up channel, and more wins to you. And from where you took this, God Almighty is going to replenish your pocket immensely. Thank you so much, Mama What's Up channel. Guys, so if you've never subscribed, please do want to subscribe and tell her thank you, and tell her you're from Episodes and Tips, that you've come to celebrate with her, and she's definitely going to talk back to you. She's definitely gonna visit you, and you guys will stay connected. She's an amazing woman, I bet you. Okay, so we are going to the next person. Like, I'm full of packages. Can you see this? I'm full of packages, guys. So the next person is an amazing woman. Like, I knew her from Agatha's channel, Agatha Progress, wonderful content creators too. So I knew her, but from the moment I saw her name, I knew she was from my land, like my sister from the same country. You know, it's not easy to meet Cameroonians on the street of YT. So when I met her, I was like, I'm gonna bond to this woman. And without knowing, she's an amazing person. She's a good person. She's an elder sister, actually. But we are so close. I want to tell you thank you. And this lady is no other person but Beastico. Yes, guys, Beastico. She's an amazing person. She's an artist. She's a songwriter. She's a musician. In fact, she's everything. Like, if you've not yet listened to her music, she has beautiful music. Music we used to appreciate our mothers. Music we used to appreciate our daddies. What are you waiting for? Go and grab her. If you don't have, visit her. Beastico. She's an amazing woman. And she actually gave me these beauties. Like, these beauties. In fact, guys, practically I have changed my shoe wardrobe. Oh God, just wait for it. So guys, this is my one of her gifts. Oh my God, you can see this amazing gift, guys. You can see, look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh, oh gosh, I'm blushing. Beastico, you are an amazing woman. Look at your gift. Oh, can you see this? Guys, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Oh God, you can imagine. Please just follow. Go to her home. Thank her for me, for this beauty. Oh God, I'm going to put this one of the dresses. And guys, I'll definitely take a picture and bring before you to actually watch. Look at this. So guys, let's dive to her second gift. You know, like I said, I am full of gifts today. These are just passing. I'm sorry about that bird. This other one is an amazing one. Guys, see, in fact, from the moment I saw this, I felt like this is made for me. It's like they made it for me. They made it for me, guys. Oh, can you see this? Look at the bling bling everywhere. Look at the bling bling everywhere. Look at this, guys. B got me this. She got me these two. Yeah, B got me these two beauties, and Mama What's Up channel got me this, my beautiful wig and the first white shoe I showed you guys. So help me thank them. Help me thank them, guys. I'm so grateful. Mama What's Up channel, I'm grateful to you. Beastico, I'm grateful to you guys. Just help me thank them. If you've not subscribed to them, please do all to go to their homes. You subscribe, watch their video till the end, leave them a genuine comment, and definitely they're going to visit you back. And thank you for joining me and watching this video till the end. As of now, I'm out. But do also subscribe to my channel as well. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. If you are a new subscriber, just leave me a genuine comment and I'm gonna visit you. As of now, ciao, ciao, ciao.